Learn easy and quick ways to create 3D text effect in Illustrator. You can create 3D effects using a variety of ways in Illustrator. In this video, we'll show you how to create 3D effect using the basic tools and features of Illustrator. 4 steps to create 3D effect. Step 1. Create your text. Step 2. Copy text. Step 3. Make 3D shape. Step 4. Add colors. Step 1. Create your text. Type your text using the Type tool and assign a font. Convert text to outlines by right-clicking and choosing Create Outlines. Remove Fill Color, assign the stroke of 2 points and set color as black. Ungroup the letters in the text. Right-click and choose Ungroup. Select the letter and choose Release Compound Path in Property Panel. Select the intersections of B and O and delete them. After the intersections are removed, the letters show a hollow shape. Step 2. Create a copy of the text shape. To create a copy of the shape, press Alt and then drag the shape. Step 3. Create a 3D shape for letters. Using the anchor points. Select anchor points on the path around the area where 3D effect is to be created. The anchor point options will become available on the control panel when you select the anchor points. Press Command/Control+C and Command/Control+V to copy and paste in front or choose Edit Paste in front. This will copy the paths held by the selected anchor points and paste them in place on the top. This process helps you make an identical copy for precision. Assign these new paths a diff stroke color. Join loose ends to make a closed path. To make a closed path, select Endpoints and click the Connect Selected Endpoints button in the control panel. Complete the step for the whole letter O. Using the Pen tool. Use the Pen tool to draw faces around all the edges of the letter. Keep solid fill to 0 and assign a different stroke color for easy identification. Use either of the two methods, Pen tool or anchor points, to create the 3D dimension for letter B. After all 3D faces are created. The final artwork. Here's the final artwork. Go ahead and use it for your logo extension and creative branding.